the processes in which water vapor in the air turns into liquid water. Good job! Your answer condensation works well here.
An underground layer of rock or sediment that holds water.
Right choice. Aquifer is the best answer. This is when water evaporates through pores of a plant. Perfect. Transpiration is the correct choice. Which part of the image of rocks will hold more water? Valid point. Right is true. Water that stands or flows across the Earth's surface. You got it. Your choice, surface water, is right. Which type of wetlands appear in the photo? Smart pick. Swamp is the correct choice. What % of the Earth is fresh water? Well picked. 3% is the correct answer. What is the process happening at 3? Great job! Evaporation is the accurate answer. The design period adopted for designing a water distribution system is generally correct. 30 years is the right answer. When rocks and soil become saturated, the groundwater rises. This is called. Well done. Water table is the right choice. The name of the area that is the upper level of the zone of saturation. Correct response. Water table is the most accurate answer, which measures the water's ability to flow through rock and sediment. Nice selection. Permeability is the correct and valid answer. This is the flow of underground water when it reaches the surface. On track. Spring is the correct answer. Basic criteria for design water treatment plant components accept. You're right. Coagulant tank is the correct answer. A hole dug into an aquifer to reach groundwater is called dash. Right again. A well is a valid answer. The pattern of water moving between Earth and the atmosphere. Nicely done. The water cycle is a solid answer. Which type of wetlands does support wooden trees? Sharp thinking. Swamp is the right choice. Water stored below the Earth's surface is called. Excellent. Groundwater is a brilliant choice. Who is the father of geotechnical engineering? Exactly. Carl von Terzaghi makes sense, and it is right choice. Which is not a reason wetlands are important. Great thinking. Affect climate is the right choice.
How does bogs differ from marshes and swamps?
Strong choice. Bogs rarely dry out is the right answer. Physical process in water treatment accept. Smart move. Coagulation is an accurate answer. Rate of water flow in soil is indicated by. Well reasoned. Permeability is the correct choice. Where is saturated water located? Excellent choice. Below the water table is the right answer.
Chemical process.
You chose chlorine residue, and it is correct. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Solid response. Contact Narayan Changda is a valid choice.